Play. Okay, what is that? Oh, I don't have this much of patience to create this many smaller details. I just get frustrated when I have to add same designs again and again. And this looks too good, man. So many smaller details. Look at that. And finally, it gets converted. So many smaller details gets converted into a bigger art form, and this one looks too good. Of course, that pen, smaller pen, that's not a similar, same like that's looks like a calligraphy pen. Ah, that details. Play. Oh, Mario is. Okay, adding some colors to it. Okay. Oh. Okay, just blend them so that it looks more realistic. Yeah, of course. Oh, nice. Okay, black color to create. Okay, X-ray. X-ray means black and white he's making. He or she, I don't know. Okay, next what? Cubism. What's that? I don't know. Okay, adding some black colors. Colors, of course, colors. Oh, nice. This is giving something new look. Realism. Okay, what type of realism? Adding some, okay, maybe a skin color and things. That doesn't look like realistic. Okay, replay. Okay, what is that? That pencil looks too dark, man. What type of pencil? Okay, when he edited that. Okay, single-handed, not just lifting the pencil up. He's just making those details. Okay, you can also make this type of details, but you have to be more creative. Okay, I don't know what was that. Okay, that looks like a lady or something just holding her leg up. Okay, nice artwork form. Not lifting pencil and just making those details. Okay, that looks like a female face. Play. Okay, what is that? Just adding blue colors. Okay, that looks like a sky. That sky looks too realistic, man. Okay, sun is just behind those clouds and just rays are coming outwards. Okay, adding some depth to. Oh, that looks too realistic, man. That person must have. Oh, that small white. I don't know what pores or something is creating. It doesn't look like a photo. It looks like a photo that doesn't look like a painting, man. That may be 50 or 100 hours of sketch. It's not just sketch, a painting. Okay. Oh, he or she is just master in this making those waters. Looks too amazing, man. Sparkling water. Yeah.